If you get pulled over by a police officer and they ask you for your license and registration without telling you why they pulled you over in the first place, do you have to give them your license or registration? My name is Tony Nero, and I'm a criminal defense attorney in Nashua, New Hampshire. Let's get down to it. A lot of times I have clients come into my office and say, listen, I didn't resist. I didn't refuse to identify myself. I asked the officer why he pulled me over. Why should I have to give him my license and my registration without him first telling me why he stopped me to begin with? Unfortunately, in New Hampshire, there's a statute. It's called disobeying a police officer. And the law in this state is that if you get pulled over, whether lawful or unlawful, you have to give the police officer your identification. That's the law. And if you don't, it's a misdemeanor. It's called disobeying a police officer. My advice to you is that if you get pulled over, give the officer your license and registration and ask him as you're giving it, why'd you pull me over? They may or may not tell you. If they don't tell you, don't argue with them. Let them go back to their cruiser, play around on their computer, do whatever they're going to do. And if they're going to write you a ticket, they're going to write you a ticket. If you were stopped illegally for doing nothing wrong, your best remedy is to call an attorney like myself and seek remedies through the legal system. Arguing on the side of the road with a cop is only going to get you more charges. I'm Tony Nero, criminal defense in Nashua, New Hampshire. That's my take.